was a horse. He was walking and running and walking and running and walking and running and walking and running till he met a scorpion that was walking and running, walking and running, walking and running. And the scorpion said, "Can I sting that girl?" So this horse said, and the girl, the horse is the girl and the girl is the horse, said, "Can I? Maybe. I don't know. Please don't sting me. Tell my mom." So the horse girl said, "You can sting me if you want to, but you have to tell my mom." So Scorpion said, "Why? Jerky face." So the horse girl said, "Just move the heck out of here, you stinking ugly scorpion." Then the horse girl was gonna step on the scorpion, but scorpion stinged him, and she turned to a mutant horse girl. Horse girl. Then they said the end. The mutant horse girl and the scorpion. Therefore said, "Hey dude, why did you say the end? It's supposed to be the studio guy, the square."